Today we're going to be covering how to accurately align your attached canvas to your origin. Let's jump into Fusion 360 and you'll see that I already have an attached canvas inside my model. It's also already been calibrated so I know it's the right size. But when I show my origin, you'll see that it's not correctly positioned. We're going to go and fix that by right-clicking and saying Edit Canvas. With a true front view, I'll be able to go and position this. And right now, I'm trying to eyeball it so that the origin is as close as possible to the center, both vertically as well as horizontally. But after all, I'm really just eyeballing it at this point. Then we're going to go and create a sketch. I'm going to go and create a rectangle for this outer profile, and I'm going to do my best to match that attached canvas. I am going to go and add dimensions, like this is going to be 150 millimeters wide and 100 millimeters tall. And I'm looking pretty good so far. So let's go and add some center lines. And the reason I'm going to go and add the center lines is because, after all, I want the origin to truly be in the center of this particular model. So we're going to go and add our constraints here and our center lines. And if I zoom in, I can see that my origin is slightly off from this geometry. Well, no worries. We can fix that easily with constraints. We're going to use the coincident constraint and select the origin as well as this horizontal line, the origin as well as the vertical line. And now my sketch is truly centered based on the origin. However, it's no longer centered based on the attached canvas. And if I try to go back and readjust the attached canvas so that it's in the correct position, that could be really difficult because I actually no longer see the sketch. After all, the attached canvas was put in first, and then the sketch was created after the attached canvas. So no wonder I don't see that sketch at this point. So here's where the quick tip comes into play. We're going to go and reorder the attached canvas as well as the sketch by dragging the sketch over to the left or dragging the attached canvas over to the right, either or. Now when we go and edit that canvas, the sketch already exists. So now it's actually quite easy for me to go and reposition that canvas. And this time, instead of repositioning the canvas to try to center the origin, I actually am going to reposition the canvas to match the sketch. Because after all, the sketch is related properly to the origin. Now I go and I position this as best as I can. I would say this is pretty good. Then once I'm done, I'm going to go and swap the attached canvas and the sketch one final time and put it back into the original order. We're going to go again and grab the sketch and drag it to the right, or the attached canvas to the left this time. Either one is fine. Now when I go and I edit the sketch, the attached canvas is where it should be, and I could see that the sketch itself is aligned based on the origin. That's what I wanted. And the attached canvas is aligned based on the sketch. So what it comes down to is everything is aligned properly with each other. And now I can go and continue my design, and I know that I'm centered based on the origin, and I'm also centered based on the canvas. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope you model some amazing things. After all, Autodesk is where you can make anything. Have a great day.